I'm an industrial design student, and I'll be getting my bachelor's of science in industrial design and concentration in product design at Appalachian State University. And I've always been interested in making things and art, and I chose industrial design because that was my best combo of the two. 'Cause I have like a very engineering kind of mind, so I sort of like to do both. The first step I always take whenever I'm doing a project like this is research. So I did a lot of research of the market brand and products to sort of figure out like what was the current market offerings and where there was a hole that I could fill or an opportunity. So after that, I did a lot of visual research. I was looking into what kind of style I wanted to give my table leg. I decided on Art Deco type design. So I was looking up a lot of architectural and furniture and art references to sort of give me like a visual board. Once I got all those, I did a lot of quick thumbnail sketches to sort of just get the ideas flowing, get some ideas out there. After doing a bunch of those, I developed maybe about 8 or so of them into more substantial designs and went through a couple rounds of that. And over time, that sort of developed into the current final design. I also had the feedback of my classmates and peers to sort of lead me through this process. And I think that's one of the most important things for me, was having that feedback. For my design, I really wanted to do something very elegant and ornamental. So I was basing a lot of what I thought I should do off of Mocket's existing catalog. So what I did was I sort of went through the website and looked at all the table legs and looked at the different categories of offerings. And I was really drawn to like the custom table legs. A lot of them had a lot more interesting design features that you don't see a lot, that were a lot more sculptural and had more of a statement to them. So I really wanted to do something along that same vein. So while doing that research, I sort of landed on a very Art Deco inspired silhouette. And over time, I sort of gathered my inspiration and references and narrowed it down to the silhouette that it is now. My biggest advice would be to just go for it. I usually am not the type to submit for competitions because there's always this idea that you're not good enough and there's always people better than you. But if you just let go of that and only focus on doing your best work and just trying anyway, I think that's the first big step. Another important thing I think is have people around you that you can always look to for feedback. Like you can always show them, hey, this is my design, this is what I'm trying to do. Can you tell me what you think about it? Because I think having those people around you can really help, especially when you're stuck on one of your concepts or something. But yeah, I think the most important thing is to just let go of all these ideas that you're not good enough, putting yourself down, and just go for it.